Free AI tools have gotten really powerful in the recent years, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT's DALL-E image generation model to help turn your concepts and ideas into a reality. So, first, open chatgpt.com. It's going to show you this page right after you log in, and I'm going to click on this plus icon and click on Create Image. So the concept and idea I have in mind is a magazine cover. So I sometimes cover local events and I want to create a magazine cover illustrating those events and showcasing them. So that's going to be the main focus. So I'll go ahead and open my image. I would say this one is a good starting point for the main attraction. And now we can start writing our prompt. So it's a good rule of thumb to try to include as much detail as you can when writing these prompts so you don't have to go back over them and redo the generation a few times. So here's an image I want to turn into a magazine cover. I want it framed with white borders. The name of the magazine is Local, and I want the font in a minimalist cursive style. I want the subject in frame to be placed over the name of the magazine at the top, and I want a caption in front of the subject with the text grassroots. So I'll hit enter and I'll give it a few minutes to generate. So first it's going to start analyzing before it moves on to creating. This can take anywhere between 1 to 5 minutes depending on how fast your internet is and the details included in your prompt. So that's a pretty decent starting point, but isn't exactly what I had in mind. So I'll refine this by sending it another prompt. Can you make the original image bigger and centered while making the white borders thinner? The local branding should also be part of the main image and not placed within the border area. Lastly, move the grassroots caption to the bottom of the image, but also outside of the border area. I'll hit enter and wait for it to generate a revision. So these tools are really useful for people with, for example, limited experience in layouting and designing magazines, and it lets you skip the first part of having to learn a program such as Adobe InDesign or whatever it might be. All right, that looks pretty good, but the grassroots caption is a little too small. So that's the last thing I want to change. Can you make the grassroots caption a little larger and italicize the font? So it's useful to treat your prompts as a conversation you would have with maybe a real editor, but still keep in mind that the AI tool being used isn't perfect and will most likely need a little bit of hand holding down the line. And there we go, that looks pretty good. So this is pretty much what I had in mind, although I could still make my own edits and sort of clip this magazine name at the top and place it behind my subject. That's one thing the AI sort of missed. But besides that, this is pretty much exactly what I wanted to see. So I'll download this image for use later. And that's how you can use DALL-E's image generation to help turn some of your ideas or concepts into an actual product and jumpstart whatever journey you might be on. So I hope you're able to learn something new, and thank you for watching.